What's up, y'all? I just wanted to give you an update on my GTI situation. I sold my 2010 Stage 3 to a buddy of mine, and luckily about 2 weeks later I found a 2017 GTI that has quite a few fun stuff done to it, but it looked really good, so I just decided I would buy it. It was only a little bit more than the 2010. So anyways, I'll show it to you. There it is in all its beauty. I love the tornado red, and these wheels look pretty awesome as well. And it has some stuff that, cosmetic stuff, nothing major, but you can see there's some bird poop that got left on the paint and etched the clear coat. So I'm gonna see if I can find someone, or maybe I'll try it myself and just kind of polish out some of those bird poop spots on the paint. And there's a spot over here, just a pretty gnarly dent. Probably someone's kid opening the door. Mine don't do that. These upgraded. I think these are just newer, but they look really good. Not sure where these came from. I think they're just from a newer model or a different model. And of course, the best part is the plaid seats. And the miles are pretty high on it, but I'm not too worried about it because these cars hold up pretty well. And it's a standard, because who drives an automatic anyways? And here's the dirty engine bay. I've never actually heard of these intakes, but they look pretty good. Supposedly it has a cover, but why put it on? You could look at this beautiful air filter. So if you've looked at or watched some of my other videos, I did an engine bay detail. Went to a guy that was local, where I was living at the time, and he did a really nice detailed job on it. So maybe I'll take it back to that guy if he's still doing engine bay detailing, or maybe I'll try it myself. So this one has an intake, obviously, and it has a 3-inch downpipe. In a video clip from earlier, I had shown you that the cover of the intake was taken off, and when I bought it, it was just in the trunk. And I was like, okay, well, probably better airflow or whatever. And you could see the air filter. But I put the cover back on, and I like it much better. So I think I'm going to leave it and keep the cover on. Also, I had been smelling some radiator fluid when I was driving it around. So I thought, well, it's probably the water pump, and I looked underneath it, and sure enough, it's definitely leaking. So I've got a new one on order, and that should be a whole lot of no fun. But I'll be happy to have a new updated water pump in there, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Okay, so I figured out that these headlights are from 2018 models all the way up to 2021. So there's quite a few years of these headlights that were made, and anyways, they look really cool on the car. So I'm glad they've been upgraded. I've seen the original 2017 headlights, and they don't really look all that great. So yeah, glad I got these. And I get to do some of the fun stuff, like cleaning out all the leaves and all the tree debris. But I haven't done that yet, if you haven't noticed. So this one has a tune from Sneaky Tunes, and I've never heard of them. So I may get them to do another tune. It came with a Cobb tuner, so I may try to do a tune myself as well. I don't know. Feeling like I want to learn new things, so maybe I'll tune it myself, or maybe I'll just get another sneaky tune that'll give it a little more power. It has all the fun stuff, all the fun goodies. Just needs a better tune. Yeah, so that's a good runaround of my new GTI. I'm super excited to have found this one. It's lowered on H&R springs. And I'm not pretty sure these are actual Koenig wheels, which is pretty cool. I think if they weren't, probably wouldn't say that on the wheel etched in there. It's hard to tell these days though. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm so excited.